Hello, this is Bob Ranquist, Boca Rio Golf Course Superintendent, with an update on the golf course renovation project at Boca Rio. After a few very dry weeks, we received 1.1 inches of rain on Tuesday of this week. The rain was very beneficial as it settled the dust down and gave all the recently planted grass a welcome drink. Because the soil was so dry, we were able to resume work on the golf course about 1 hour after the rain stopped. Finish grading and contouring on greens number 4, 5, 6, 15, 16, and 17 was completed this week, and TIF-Grand Bermuda grass was sodded on all the green collars on these 6 holes. These greens were sprigged with TIF-Eagle Bermuda grass on Wednesday. The grass planted on the first 6 greens 4 weeks ago is spreading rapidly, and these greens should have good turf coverage in another couple of weeks. We continued to mow these greens every other day this past week. Work on the final greens to be planted at holes number 1, 2, 3, 9, 18, and the practice putting green is progressing quickly, and we should be able to plant these greens around the 8th or 9th of August. Sprigging of latitude 36 Bermuda grass on fairways and roughs continued this week on holes number 14, 7, and portions of number 8. The grass that was sprig planted on holes number 12 and 13 2 weeks ago is developing and spreading very nicely. We mowed the new grass on these 2 holes for the first time this week. After laser leveling and finish grading was completed, latitude 36 Bermuda grass sod was laid on T-slopes at holes number 12, 13, and 14, and the T-top surfaces on these tees were sprigged with TIF-Grand Bermuda grass. Bunker slopes around fairway bunkers at holes number 7 and 8 were also sodded with latitude 36 Bermuda grass this week. Planting on T-slopes and T-tops on holes number 8, 15, and 17 should be completed next week. Installation of drainage systems and the Better Billy Bunker gravel layer in bunkers on holes number 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, and 18 progressed well this week and should be completed in another 10 days. The binding polymer for the liners was sprayed in bunkers at number 4, 5, and 15 this week, and will be sprayed week after next in the remaining bunkers on the last 6 holes being prepared for planting. Phrase mowing to remove dead grass from fairways and roughs was completed this week on holes number 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 18, and the practice range. Some dead turf on severely sloped areas that could not be phrase mowed will be removed with sod cutters and skid loaders next week. Irrigation system installation was completed on holes number 4, 5, and 6 this week. Installation of the irrigation system will continue on holes number 1, 2, and 3 next week, leaving only holes number 9, 10, and 18 and the practice range to be completed in the next couple of weeks. Complete installation of the irrigation system should be completed as scheduled by August the 15th. Our goal is to have all the grass planted on the golf course by September the 1st. With continued good weather and the current pace of work, we should be able to meet that goal.